Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as long as we are still below it, for now bearish for the short term, bearish on ZBECoin. But the moment you are seeing ZBEC coin trading volume increase, the momentum increase, and you see ZBEC approaching this zone, we might still get a rejection from there. Because if you're paying attention, I just discovered this, what was it called? Fair value gap around this zone, which is likely to trigger some sell. If you are taking out this support level, you get to see the fair value gap I'm talking about. Now the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and the content shared here does not constitute investment, legal, or tax advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and carry significant risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. You are solely responsible for your own trading and investment decisions. A fair value gap before this bearish order block, which is now validating that we also have a break of structure here before this massive downtrend, which is now validating this zone to be likely a very, very significant, important zone for the price of CBcoin. So you guys should not take that zone for granted. Zone is just around 0.032, which was the zone I talked about previously. So that zone is very, very important. The moment we are flipping it into a support, invalidating that zone, then we should begin to maybe trade then. We should begin to head higher to take out this liquidity right here around 0.0041. That liquidity is a very, very important level for me to take out in order to tap into this next liquidity around 0.47 zone between 0.51 and also 0.0047 is a significant area we still need to encounter before we eventually tap into this point of execution. This area is still likely to be a point of execution, which you can place your sell order there on the leverage market, and then maybe set your T around 0.050, because we are likely to get a reversal from that zone to flip this zone into a breaker block and then get a reversal from there. So we need to take out this point of interest, which is the point I label magnet, in order to start thinking of going higher for XCN coins. Let's talk about the BTC Dominance real quick. We are still waiting for that massive retracement on the BTC Dominance. We are currently on the monthly time frame. The BTC Dominance is currently around 65.22%. We are left with 24 days and 16 hours until this current indecisive monthly candle closes. We are still waiting for that massive retracement, massive correction on the BTC Dominance in order to welcome ourselves officially into altcoin season. Now, if you're paying attention to the altcoin season index, you will notice we are now around 29% for the altcoin season index by the time, which is still indicated that we are in the BTC index, like the BTC season. Now, for we to enter into the altcoin season, we need to see this altcoin season index or oscillator begin to make our way to the upside. 75% level for the altcoin season oscillator is a significant area you all should keep your eye on. But you have to use this altcoin season index and also the BTC Dominance chart as a confluence in order to get a clearer picture of what to do, when to execute your sell order or your buy order, or when to DCA into your favorite altcoins. Now I think if the BTC Dominance is not able to get the rejection everyone has been waiting for this from this level, then we should begin to make our way gradually to around 71.44%, which I think your best bet will be to DCA into your favorite altcoins, because all coins are going to bleed the moment the dominants try to make massive move to 71.44%. So DCA is the only strategy that is going to keep you level-headed and not to keep you sidelined. The last time the BTC Dominance corrected -4%, that was a few months ago. We got a massive rally in the altcoin market. Some altcoins were pumping 40%, some 100, some 200% in a single 24 hours. Now imagine what will happen when we start getting a massive retracement of -10% on the BTC Dominance, 20, 30, 40, 47, 39%. Now, historically, the 39% zone is usually the bottom for the BTC Dominance, but reverse was the case this time around in this market cycle. I think it's due to the institutional adoption, government involvement, the wider-like adoption of cryptocurrency. That was what delayed our altcoin season as well. Historically, the month of May is usually when the BTC dominant bottoms. May 2018, same thing happened. May 2021, like virtually in every market cycle, that was what has happened. But reverse was the case in this current market cycle. But to be on the safer side, because we have a breaker here. To be on the safer side, I would advise you guys to start taking massive profit by the time the BTC dominance retraced to around 47% level. I take at least 70 to 80% profit off your altcoins holdings, and then hold the rest until we get a rejection to around the 40% level or 41% level to maximize your profit. Sooner or later, this retracement we are currently having on the BTC dominant, I'm expecting this retracement to continue and then maybe get a reversal bounce around 64-98% and then tap into this previous support zone as a resistance zone. Get another sell-off all the way to 64.5%. So 64.5% is an area I'm watching for the short term for the BTC dominance to retrace to. And if that retracement is happening, then all coins are going to get a relief rally. Now this is how it works. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance retrace aggressively and you see BTC price pumping, then all coins are going to explode. And the moment you see the BTC dominance retrace aggressively and you see the BTC price consolidating, then all coins are going to have a relief rally. So that's just it. And if the BTC dominance is pumping to the upside and the BTC price is pumping, then altcoins are going to bleed hard. Seriously. Now BTC on the 1 hour time frame we have a clear and obvious, very, very crystal clear point of interest here between the price of $16,300 and $15,355. So that zone is a very, very, very significant zone on the price of BTC. But first we need to sweep this liquidity around $17,289. The moment we are successfully sweeping that liquidity, then easily expect to set your limit order either on the futures market or on the spot market around this level. $16,291 and also $15,355 respectively on the price of BTC. The Telegram group will be in the let us know in the comments below. I really want to hear your take. Was this video helpful? Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more altcoin breakdowns and crypto market deep dives. And if you think someone else needs to see this opportunity, go ahead and share it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart, stay skeptical, and stay invested in narratives that actually make sense.